The purpose of this section is to familiarize you with the concept of density. The density of any substance is its mass or weight per unit volume. If we're using metric units, we are looking at a mass density, and if we are using English units, we are looking at a weight density. In the metric system, we have density is equal to the mass divided by the volume. Looking at our equation circle, we see that mass is on top, and density and volume are both on the bottom. The unit we will use for mass is going to be gram, not kilogram. Density will be in grams per cubic centimeters, and volume will be in cubic centimeters. In the English system, density is equal to the weight divided by the volume. Remember, we're looking at weight density. In our equation circle, we have weight on top, and density and volume once again on the bottom. Weight will be in pounds, and density will be in pounds per cubic foot, and volume will be in cubic feet. This table is meant to show you the mass density and weight density of some common objects. We see that aluminum and iron both have a mass density greater than 1, while pine wood and ice both have a density less than 1, which is the mass density for water. As we will discuss later, if the mass density is greater than 1, the object will sink when placed in water, and if it is less than 1, the object will float in water. In the next video, we will look at a few examples of density calculations.